Hello guys, this video is basically for all the CA aspirants who are going to give their exams from 21st of November. I know the mental state is on toss, the frustration level is pretty much high, anxiousness, the level of concentration is not there, the focus is not there. It's very difficult to just pick the book up and go consistent for 10, 12, 15 hours. Still there is confusion that exams are seriously going to happen or not. The uncertainty is pretty high. But irrespective of the situation, if we are going to give the attempt, this is the time where we have to go all in. Because one thing we need to understand is, it has become a level playing field because everyone has gone through the same trauma, be it May 21, be it May 20 students or be it November 20 students. Everyone have felt that heat, everyone have lost that concentration, everyone have taken breaks. No one is consistent enough throughout this period. And even if someone is, you have to assume that all have gone through the same field. And you have to understand that all are at the same position as of now in terms of mental state. And you know what? This exam is basically your mental test. And trust me, जो ये 18 दिन और उसके बाद एग्जाम के 16 days तो मेंटली जीत लेगा ना, trust me, he is going to come out with that abbreviation, that result is going to be favoring of that person. It's a battle of 18 days plus exam के 16 days. This is the time where we have to bring our mental state to a position where we feel good. It's very difficult. It is challenging. But this is how we are made. This is how our journey is. We have always been through the challenges. We have to rise above the challenges. The energy should be pretty much high. The vibe should be good. Because that is all going to help us. These 18 days is actually going to decide your result. And it is all about the mental framework. Because till now, your mind have controlled you. This is the time where you control your mind. Where you have that smile on your face, irrespective of the frustration or emotions you are going through. Because once you have that smile on your face, your mind or heart feels, oh, you are happy. This is how you have to control your mind. We can't just pick the books up and start studying. Because ऐसे क्या होगा ना, तुम पूरे दिन बैठ तो जाओगे, बट हो सकता है शायद 8 पेज पढ़ो, 10 पेज पढ़ो, 15 पेज पढ़ो, 20 पेज पढ़ो. अब ये हेल्प नहीं करेगा 10-15 पेज दिन के. You have to sit. You have to visualize. For example, who are in final students, close your eyes and visualize chartered accountant, your name, your smile, and smile, tears in your parents' eyes. Feel that emotion, get that goosebumps, and then start studying. It's going to be very difficult, especially for the one who are having their first attempt, who are having 8 papers. It seems 18 days, 8 papers, it's not possible. But come on, let's divide, let's multiply that 18 days with 16 hours. It gives you roughly around 290. You can round it off to 300 hours. See, there's 300 hours. You can see a ray of hope. Oh, 300 hours. This is how you play with your mind. It's the time to play with your mind. It's the time to sit back and first visualize that, okay, I'm going to be a chartered accountant. Or if I'm at intermediate level, I'm going to see a final. If I'm at foundation, I'm going to at intermediate level. This is how you have to play with your mind. Mentally, you have to stay focused. You have to now switch off everything. This is the time. It is going to be difficult, but it is going to be difficult for everyone. Understand that. It's a mental battle. Try to win this mental battle over the next 34 days and you might sail through. Remember why it all started. Now it's the time to stop trolling ICI, stop creating memes on ICI. It's done. The vacation is over. Now it's time to go all in, all out. Because ICI might give you again those chances for creating those memes throughout your life. This time, if you again, even in this time, if you end up doing that, you might become a meme in your eyes after the exam, after the results. So better, let's pull up our socks and just, give that final shot for clearing this exam in the best possible way. And this is coming from someone who is going to appear for CA final, first attempt. I had my first attempt in May, shifted in November. So I can understand the emotions. But now we can't be emotional. Now we have to be practical. We have to be positive. We have to come out of it. 18 days seem too less, but this is what we have. And this is what we have to make the most of it. And you never know, things change in one day. Obviously it takes years of hard work, but it just requires one good day and things can change in your favor. And trust me, if it's in your destiny that you will become CA in this attempt, you will. But the best part about the things of destiny is you don't know what it is. क्या ये attempt तुम्हारा है, वो attempt तुम्हारा है, ये तुम्हें पता नहीं है. And that's what makes life more exciting and more beautiful. The only thing you have is work hard, give your best shot, keep studying, show that grit, because it's difficult for everyone. But जो ज्यादा ग्रिट दिखाएगा, जो ज्यादा डिटर्मिनेशन डेडिकेशन दिखाएगा, जो स्टबन रहेगा कि मेरे को ये बनना है, भले 18 दिन है तो क्या हुआ, वो ये जर्नी, ये जंग जीत पाएगा. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन, ट्रस्ट मी. ऐसे ही नोटिफिकेशन आ गया, एडमिट कार्ड आ गया, लो बुक ले लिया, पढ़ लिया, नो, दिस नॉट द वे. इट इज अ प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम. लेट्स बी प्रोफेशनल. लेट्स ट्रेन आवर माइंड फर्स्ट. लेट्स हैव अ कंट्रोल अगेन बैक ओवर आवर माइंड दैट यस, वी आर गोइंग टू बी ऑन द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ द एंड एट द एंड ऑफ दिस जर्नी. एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड देन स्टार्ट स्टडीing. हैव सम स्ट्रेटजीज. Create some, parameters. Like first parameter should be like, it should be like, suppose एक parameter है 40 to 50 marks, 50 to 60 marks, 60 to 70 marks, 70 to 80 marks. अब ये आगे ये सारे मार्क्स अलॉट कर दिए, तुमने डाल दिए. अब इसके सामने सब्जेक्ट अलॉट करते जाओ. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे समझो 18 दिन 400 मार्क. यू आर मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. दैट इज व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट एट दिस टाइम. दो अच्छी एग्जामिनेशन, दो स्ट्रॉन्ग सब्जेक्ट, and you can get through this journey. You know what? The best thing you can do. Suppose FR is your strength, and you are very sure that you are going to score 60 or 70. But put that FR in 40-50 wala zone, because anyway everyone is going to give 4 or 5 or 6 days for that FR. And when you are actually creating this on paper, from 40 to 50, put that into 70-80 or 60-70. 70-80. Basically into 70-80. And say yourself, wow, what potentiality. Like even in 18 days, I have the potentiality to convert a subject which I was feeling that I'll score 40 to 50 marks to 70 to 80. Play with your mind. Visualize. This is how you win the battles. Because two good papers, 60-70. Suppose 70, 140. Remaining marks are 260. Divided by 6 papers. This is how you play. And try to target 50 marks in every subject. And come on, this is how you have to do the things. Ab aise you have to play with your minds. Decide your content. Now you have to understand. एक बार कंटेंट थोड़ा सा पढ़ लो, नॉलेज गेन कर लो, क्वेश्चन देख लो, बस खत्म. बैक योरसेल्फ. ऐसा सोचो जो पढ़ोगे वही एग्जाम में आ जाएगा. इस सिचुएशन से बाहर तो निकलना है ना. इमेजिन अगर अटक गए तो फिर 6 महीने का मेंटल ट्रॉमा, जो कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. होता ही है. एंड स्पेशली अभी तो मन में, स्पेशली जो मे वाले उनके तो मन में आ गया कितनी बार एक ही चीज पढ़े. अगर उनको अटेम्प्ट लग गया तो हमने तो ऑलरेडी नवंबर में बोल दिया था कितनी बार एक ही चीज पढ़े. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर फिर से आना पड़ेगा तो क्या करेंगे. बेटर प्ले विद योर माइंड. पुट योरसेल्फ इन अ पोजीशन where you are just trying to do things where you are able to visualize that yes, irrespective of the time, I'm going to become a chartered accountant. And then go for the final shot and give your best. Keep the energy high. Ensure that the vibe is good. And साथ में लेकर चलो जो भी तुम्हारा फेलो. If he is suffering, help him, motivate him, call him like yes, let's be chartered accountant together. This is what we need at this time. Let's just spread good vibes all around us. It's our responsibility. And just visualize, keep visualizing and keep studying and give your best possible shot. And अब तो हो ही जाए 16 घंटे 18 दिन प्लस 16 दिन 16 घंटे. And you never know. Because ये स्टार्ट स्पेशली फाइनल वालों के लिए आज नहीं हुआ है. 1 साल पहले, 1.5 साल पहले, 2 साल पहले, you never know कब से पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया है. Hard works are being seen over there. Believe in yourself. And समझो एक चीज को, सबका मेंटल स्टेट एक ही है. All are going through the same thing. यहां से 37 दिन 35 दिन जो मेंटली अपने उसको कंट्रोल कर पाएगा ना, और अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल करने लग जाएगा, एक अच्छे स्पेस में रहेगा, एक स्माइल होगी फेस पे जो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, और एक ऑप्टिमिस्टिक एटीट्यूड के साथ जाएगा, विजुअलाइज करके दैट यस आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस, आई एम गोइंग टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. वही है जर्नी जीतने वाला. सो कम ऑन गाइस, लेट्स गिव आवर बेस्ट शॉट. एंड दिस इज द टाइम वेयर यू हैव टू अनलीश द बीस्ट विद इन यू. सबके अंदर एक बीस्ट होता है. दिस इज द टाइम टू अनलीश इट. देयर इज अ बीस्ट इन मी, देयर इज अ बीस्ट इन यू, देयर इज अ बीस्ट इन एवरीवन. दिस इज द टाइम टू अनलीश दैट बीस्ट. And you never know. Find a hope. Believe in yourself. Go hard at it. Be greedy and be stubborn enough. And just, give your best. Thank you guys. All the very best.